My phone is out of battery. Excuse me, do you work here?
Yes, I do. How can I help you?
My phone battery just died. Is there somewhere I can charge it?
Sure, we have a charging station near the window.
Oh, that's great. Thank you. Wait, I don't have my charger with me.
Don't worry, we also sell chargers and cables here.
Really? What kind of phone charger do I need?
What phone do you have?
It's a Samsung. I think it uses USB-C.
Okay, let me check. We have a few options.
What options do you have?
We have a simple charging cable for $8. We also have a fast charger for $15.
What's the difference?
The fast charger charges the phone in about 30 minutes.
And the simple cable?
That one takes about 2 hours.
I don't have 2 hours. I have a meeting soon.
Then I recommend the fast charger.
Okay, that sounds good. Do you have it in stock?
Let me check the shelf. Yes, we have one left.
Perfect. I'll take it.
Do you also need a power bank?
What's a power bank?
It's a portable battery. You can charge your phone anywhere.
Oh, that could be useful. How much is it?
We have two types, a small one for $20 and a bigger one for $35.
What's the difference between them?
The small one charges your phone once. The bigger one can charge it about 3 times.
I travel a lot for work. Maybe I need the bigger one.
That's a good choice for travel.
Does it come with a cable?
Yes, it includes a USB-C cable.
Great. Can I test the fast charger first?
Of course. You can use the charging station over there.
Thank you. Excuse me, the charger isn't working.
Let me see. What's happening?
The light isn't turning on.
Let me check the outlet. Oh, I see the problem. This outlet is broken.
Oh no, really?
Yes, sorry about that. Please try this other outlet.
Okay, let me try again. Oh, it's working now. I can see the battery icon.
Great, it's charging.
How long until it's ready to use?
Give it about 10 minutes for enough battery to make a call.
Perfect. I'll wait here.
While you wait, would you like to see the power banks?
Sure, show me.
Here's the small one. It's light and easy to carry.
It's very small. I like that.
And here's the bigger one. It's a bit heavier.
How much does it weigh?
About 300 grams.
That's not too bad. What colors do you have?
We have black, white, and blue.
I'll take the blue one.
Good choice. Anything else you need?
Actually, do you have phone cases too?
Yes, we have a small selection over there.
I'll take a look after I get my phone charged.
No problem.
How much battery does my phone have now?
Let me check. It looks like 15%.
That's enough to make a call, right?
Yes, that should be fine for a short call.
Okay, I need to call my colleague about the meeting.
Go ahead. I'll get your items ready.
Thank you so much. Hi, sorry I'm running a little late. My phone died. Yes, I'm on my way. See you soon. Okay, I made the call. Thank you for letting me use the charger.
You're welcome. Your phone is at 30% now.
Is that enough for the rest of the day?
It depends on how much you use it.
I think I should buy the power bank, just in case.
That's a smart idea.
Okay, let's finish. What's the total price?
The fast charger is $15. The bigger power bank is $35.
What about the phone case?
Which one did you choose?
The black one, please.
That one is $12.
Okay, what's the total?
The total is $62.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we accept credit cards and cash.
I'll pay by card.
Sure, please tap your card here.
Okay, done.
Thank you. Here's your receipt.
Thank you. Can you help me put the case on my phone?
Of course. Give me your phone. There you go. It fits perfectly.
It looks great. Thank you. Oh, wait, is my phone still charging?
Yes, it's at 40% now.
Should I wait a bit longer?
If you have time, I recommend charging it to at least 60%.
Okay, I can wait 10 more minutes.
No problem. Would you like some water while you wait?
Yes, please. That's very kind of you.
Here you go.
Thank you. By the way, is this power bank easy to charge?
Yes, just connect it with the cable, like your phone.
How long does it take to fully charge?
About 4 hours for a full charge.
Good to know. I'll charge it tonight.
That's a good idea. It's ready to use whenever you need it.
This is really helpful. My phone is always dying at the wrong time.
A lot of customers say the same thing.
I guess I need to be more careful about checking my battery.
Or you can just keep the power bank in your bag.
That's true. I won't forget it again.
Your phone is at 65% now.
That's great. I think I can go now.
Sure. Do you need anything else?
No, I think that's everything. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good meeting.
Thank you. I feel much better now.
Come back anytime if you need help with your phone.
I will. Thanks again, Jack.
No problem, Molly. Good luck with your meeting.
Thanks. See you next time.
See you. Take care.